So now I am going to talk to you about all the books I read this month. The first poll was this: As Good as Dead, and this is the third part of that A Good Girl's Guide to Murder series. So this is the first book. The second was Murakami. Yes, I finally read it. Finally I read it. और एक बुक थी ये, जो चौथी बुक थी वो थी ये All the books I got as a birthday present. Rock, paper, scissors. Oh god, I don't know, but this is a real amazing book. I can bet on that. First book, I am really happy. Here comes the predators. The Annihilator, the Keeper, the Emperor, and the Finisher. बाकी जो बुक्स मुझे मिली हैं वो ये हैं.